Hello, everyone. Welcome to White Eagle. Today, we go to the clothing store. Need new clothes? Let's learn what to say when you're shopping for shirts, pants, and shoes. Shopping in English can be tricky. Don't worry. I will teach you key phrases. You will learn to ask for size, try on clothes, talk about fit, color, price, and decide to buy. You will feel confident shopping. Let's begin. First, let's learn about sizes. For shirts, common sizes are small, medium, large, and extra large. You see a shirt you like. You need to ask a store helper for your size. Say, "Excuse me, do you have this shirt in medium?" "Excuse me, do you have this shirt in medium?" If you need a different size, say, "Do you have this shirt in small?" Or, "Do you have this shirt in large?" If you don't know your size, point to the shirt and ask, "What size is this?" Remember these phrases for your correct size. Practice. Do you have this in medium? Next, you pick your size. Now, you need to try the clothes on. Try on means putting clothes on your body to see how they look. You need a fitting room. This is a private place in the store. To ask to try clothes, say to a helper, "Can I try this on? Can I try this on?" The helper will tell you where the fitting room is. They might say, "The fitting rooms are over there." Or, "It's right here." If you can't find it, ask, "Where is the fitting room?" Practice. Where is the fitting room? Now, go to the fitting room and put on the clothes to check them. After you try on the clothes, you say how they fit. Fit means how clothes look and feel on your body. If the clothes are perfect, not too big and not too small, say, "It fits well," or "It fits perfectly." Good. It fits well. What if the clothes are not good? If the shirt is too large, say, "It's too big." If the pants are too tight, say, "It's too small." These are simple. Remember, it's too big, or it's too small. When a helper asks, "How does it fit?" use one of these sentences to explain. Okay, the clothes fit well. Now, color and price. Maybe you tried a red shirt, but you want a blue one. Ask the helper, "Do you have this in blue?" Or, do you have this in black? Do you have this in green? Use any color. Just say, do you have this in... The helper will check. Next, the price. You need to know how much money it costs. To ask the price, say, how much is it? Practice. How much is it? This is polite. The helper will tell you the price, like, it's $20. Listen for the number. If no tag, always ask, how much is it? So, you found the right size, it fits, you like the color, and the price is good. Time to buy. To tell the helper you want it, say, I'll take it. I'll take it. This means you buy it. Another way, I'll buy this. The helper takes your item to the cash register to pay. What if you don't want to buy it? Maybe it's too expensive. Politely say, no, thank you. Simple and clear. No, thank you. Hand the item back. If you buy, pay with money or card. Remember to say thank you to the helper. You did a great job. We learned key sentences for shopping. Let's review. Let's review. Asking for size. Do you have this in medium? Trying on clothes. Can I try this on? Finding fitting room. Where is the fitting room? How clothes fit. It fits well. It's too big. It's too small. Asking for color? Do you have this in blue? Asking for price. How much is it? To buy. I'll take it. To not buy. No, thank you. Practice often. Shopping in English will be easy. Now, a question for you. What color of shirt do you like best? Tell me in the comments below. Tell me in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to White Eagle for more practical English.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.